struggle, feeling the squeeze. Wanna save some cash and live with ease. Naomi is here, your money guide, helping you grow and turn the tide. Let's talk money, it's time to thrive on Rhythm 95.5. Budget, save, invest and win. Tune in, now let the wealth begin. Let's talk money with Naomi, only on Rhythm 95.5.
And welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Money right here on the always refreshing Rhythm 95.5. Our financial expert in the house, Naomi Jean. Hey, hey.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon and welcome again.
Yes, thank you.
So Naomi, of course, we know you have all the goodness for us, and let me tell you, today's topic I've been waiting. Hello. Let's get into it, Naomi.
What if I change my mind?
No, you're not going to break my heart like that. Hello.
I mean, based on probably when I walk and came across, I might have seen something that tell me change the topic and do something else.
You're trying to tell me you were inspired on
Yeah.
your way to the studio.
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't believe you. You'll never. She's not going to do that to us. She's not going to do that to me. Naomi, talk to us.
Okay, so we're starting our new series. Let's make money. Smart ways to boost your income.
Ooh.
So for the next month or two, we'll be focusing on how we make money.
Right.
And some smart ways to boost our income, whether it's an additional income,
Right.
or whether you had no income at all, and
Right.
that will be your income,
Right.
or some additional side hustles or whatever. But we're looking to boost our income.
Big you up. Big up. Now, I bet our listeners now understand why I'm excited. You know, this is a good topic. This is what we want to know. We've learned how to manage our money, how to budget it, and all of that.
But how am I so sure that you're budgeting it? And how am I so sure that you're managing it?
No. I'm asking the questions around it.
No, because you need to
Right.
remember these so that you
Right.
can put it into practice
Right.
as you're about to make the money.
Right.
As you're about to boost your income, you need to manage it. You need to save. You need to invest. You need to take these steps that we would have spoken about earlier.
This is to avoid the money coming in and not staying.
Yes,
So-
to avoid it coming in and to allow it to come in and to flourish.
Yes, make it work for you.
That's right.
Exactly.
That's right. So, since we will be dealing with how to make money,
Right.
today we'll be diving into something that's right in front of you. Something, how should I say, it's in your two hands, it's in your face. It's right there.
Right there.
That's where I feel you should start from.
Right.
Something that you love. And what you think is that thing that you love? You're not sure.
Eating food. What's that? What
So you're
kind
gonna
of
start
is
making money by eating food.
that? I'm going to make money from eating food. I can do that. Hello.
I want to
hello. Can I be hired to eat your food? Yes. Hello. Okay. So talk to me.
We're gonna start with your skills.
Right.
That's your right there. Your talent, your hobby, even the thing you don't do without thinking can make money for you.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with your skills.
Okay.
Let's talk about how we can use our skills to make money.
Okay.
And most times we have different skills, different talents, different gifts. But the one that you love, if it's something I note, even with myself, before starting off my business, and with others, a lot of small business owners or business owners will tell you, like, before they even started their business, it was hard for them to charge for their services because they started off with a skill that they love,
Right.
but they were offering it for free.
Yes.
And because you love it, you see it as helping others, serving your community. And while you're helping others, serving your community, are you serving yourself because you're doing it for free?
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So here's a secret. Most people are sitting on untapped income potential, but they don't even realize so. So let's start with these questions. What are you good at? That's the first question. What are you good at? You don't have to be perfect at something to earn from it.
Right.
You just need to be a little ahead of something else, of someone else who needs your help.
Okay.
So, for example, you might not be the best gardener, but I need somebody to cut my grass, and you can cut the grass.
Right.
And you can offer that service, cut my grass, and I pay you.
Yes.
So it's something that is needed, and you able to do it, because guess what? As you do it, as you continue to do it, you grow and you master the skill.
Right.
So here's how to identify your marketable skill. What do people ask you for help with? Everybody come in and ask you to do that one particular thing. Everybody in your family, your community, your friends, they keep asking you to do that one thing, which means that that's a sign of value. That's something they value you for. That's something they find you're good at. So that's why they come to you for that particular thing.
Right.
What do you enjoy doing, even if you're not paid for it? There's something we all love doing that even if we're not paid for it, it brings joy to us.
Okay.
So that's a hobby with income potential. What problems have you solved for yourself that others still struggling with? That's a business opportunity. So, for example, others might be struggling filing their taxes, but I'm good at it. So I offer that service.
You offer that service.
Yes.
Guys, if you see her face, if you saw her face when I offer that service. Yes. All right.
So, we're going to break it down with some more examples. Are you good at organizing? You can offer home or digital decluttering service.
Oh.
Now, for me, I need somebody, if the person is listening,
hello,
I need someone to, help me redesign my home.
Ooh.
So if they're good at that, I'm willing to pay them.
Ooh.
To bring, yeah.
So paging all designers. Yes. Miss Jo is searching for someone to help her redesign her home, and also do some decluttering, right?
Yeah. So you can offer these services.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you bake or cook? I mean, these we have a lot in Saint Lucia.
Yes.
Almost everyone in Saint Lucia can bake or cook.
True.
You should do one or the other, or both.
But just because there are so many, that should not stop you from.
No, then you specialize in something that you're good at, and not what everybody else cooking. So everybody else cooking chow mein rice, lentils every day, green fig backs, whatever. Do something that you're not specializing in, that you're good at.
Right.
So everybody they come to you for that specific thing.
Fair enough.
Are you fluent in English, French, or Spanish? You can offer tutoring or translation services.
Yes.
For sure, I need translation services when it comes to Spanish.
Hello. And another thing, people can actually look into freelance work.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you go online, you have the Fiverr and all these websites where you can offer these services and get paid for it.
Precisely.
Yes. You good with kids? Offer homework help or after school supervision. Or even Easter break supervision. Something where parents need a break from the kids.
Yes.
Capitalize on it.
Look at that.
The parents want to go to jazz. Charge them for watching the child.
But it's true. It's true. You're right.
Yeah, and you not just sit down and watching the child and have the child in front of the TV. You do something
to keep
educational
the
and whatever.
back.
So the person who wants to come out, he'll say, okay, that person is not just supervising my child. When my child comes out there, they learn something valuable that I want to bring the child there again.
Right.
Right? So you can design, you can do video editing, content writing. Like you said, welcome to the digital freelance world.
Exactly.
Let's capitalize on it. Persons willing to do consultation, like for example, I've done one before where you find somebody's good at hair, you want your hair to have that length or that texture, whatever. You do a consultation online and they pay you for these services because they want the results.
Right.
So if there's something that you're good at, remember your skill doesn't have to be unique. It just need to solve a problem. Because guess what? We're out there looking for problems to be solved.
Right. It's true.
Yeah. So once you can solve a problem and you love solving that particular problem, go for it. Use it as an income method. Whether you're unemployed and you're looking for a job, then guess what? Stop looking for a job. Go for that income method. You employed and you need additional income because of your finances, go for that income via your skills. Something that you love, something that you do with all your heart. Now let's talk about those hobbies, turning your hobbies into side hustles. You might think this is just something I enjoy, which is true. When you love something, just do it because you enjoy it.
Right.
But with the right structure and pricing, it could become your income stream.
Right.
So let's look at a few hobbies you can start monetizing. Like we said, baking and cooking.
Right.
Crafting, like you handmade jewelry, decoration, candles, soap, just name it.
Yes.
Tutoring, helping kids with reading, mathematics, exam prep, whatever it is.
Right.
Art and design, selling digital art, digital designing logos for business places, painting wall art, whatever you're good at designing, redesigning homes, whatever it is, go for it. Photography, you do family photo shoots, events, whatever it is, small business photos.
Right.
Fitness or wellness, host small workout session or offer meal prep plans or even like offer football for kids, whether it's after school on the weekend.
Right.
Parents looking for a place to put their kids most times based on their work schedule.
Okay.
Yeah. So here's the trick. Start simple and offer it to people you know. So then your business will grow by word of mouth, social media, and great services. So if you start with those you know, your friends, your community, your co-workers, and they are happy with their service, they will tell others about it.
Right.
You can also put it up on social media, start advertising it, use them as your testimonials, and the business will grow. And the last thing we want to look at is create services for your community or online. Right now, you can put almost every service online.
Right.
Let's target the online community. Let's say you figured out what you're good at. Now the next step is offering it as a service. So here are some tips. Give your service a name, even something simple like Tasha's Tutoring or Island Clean Cooking. Something simple and nice.
This is one of my skills. I can assist with this.
That's right.
I'm very good at
Start
naming
offering
things.
the service, Steve.
Yes,
Start
yes.
offering it. Create a flyer or digital poster. Share it on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever, TikTok. Share it.
Yes.
Start talking about it. Let your friends, family, your community, your church family, your co-workers know you're offering this service. Go digital. There's a free platform like Canva, Linktree, Instagram that can make your business look professional. Use the platforms.
Right.
Be consistent. Even if you don't get a customer on day one, keep showing up.
That's right.
You will not get a customer. Majority of the times, you may not get a customer on day one.
Right.
But you need to keep showing up. And always remember, start small, start local, and grow with purpose. So, here's what I want you to do this week. List 3 skills or hobbies you enjoy and could offer as a service. Are you writing it down?
Yeah.
Talk to 3 people about your idea and get feedback. So we're doing a little research there.
Okay.
Write out a simple plan, how you'll offer it, what you'll charge, and how you'll market it. If you need help turning your skills into a business, you know where to find me. Yes?
Now, one of the things I find this is a wonderful idea, turning your hobbies into income, right? But one of the things that I did struggle with when I did start doing what you're talking about here is that I think this is an issue with a lot of people when it comes to setting your price. So can is this going to be, I mean, I did a little foreshadowing there, but is this next week's topic? How do we set our pricing?
I don't think that's next week's topic, but let's see what week it falls in.
Okay.
I'll try write it down,
Right.
guys, but I'm not sure if I have it as part of the series. But yeah, we're gonna put it in. How do we set our prices? The truth is, but off the bat, I'll tell you, when you just start your business, the price will change every day or every month.
Right.
Because then sometimes because you just start, you're scared to charge the price for the value.
Right.
Whereas you're thinking you just start off, you're not yet as good as others yet, but then you realize the amount of work you do, the value, the problem that you solve for persons,
right,
that you need to increase your price.
Yes.
And you will gradually increase it as you realize how good you are at solving the problem.
Okay. So you need to allow time for you to adjust.
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
Yes.
All right.
So we can check out shop.naomisnumbers.co for help, guidance, and templates to get started. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at naomija758. Also on YouTube, and send a message if you want help with building your side hustle. You can also reach me on WhatsApp at 1758-384-4576. So the money you're looking for might already be in your hands.
Okay.
It just needs a plan. Start small, believe in your skill, and take action. Thanks for tuning in to Let's Talk Money. Join me next week as we explore another powerful way to make money in this series. Until then, use what you've got to create the income you need.
All right.
Yes,
awesome. Awesome. So, guys, this has been Let's Talk Money right here on Rhythm at 95.5.
Are you stuck in the struggle?